I've already started with the 8th row, that is only chain in all these 3 leaves. We have to place knots in each of these 3 leaves. Keep a bit of gap. And place a knot here. First knot, and then go to the next leaf, put another knot, and then next go to the next leaf, put another knot. All the 3 leaves should be secured with knots, and then leave a bit of space and put another knot in the next 3 leaves. 1. As usual, the needle should be inserted inside the petal and back part should be wrapped anti-clockwise and the thread should be pulled. Then go to the next petal and put another knot. Leave some gap, put the needle inside, wrap the thread anti-clockwise, pull it, and see that the gap also should be equal. That is, length of the chain should be equal so that the flowers should hold in place neatly, and this process should be continued completely. I'll show you some more. First knot, second knot, and then third. Leave a bit of space and then put another knot here in the next 3 leaves, followed by chain. First, second, third, and this process should be continued till you reach the starting point, that is this row will be completed, and then we'll go with the next row. I'm already halfway through the 8th row, and this 8th row will be of only chain and securing the previous leaves. First knot, second knot, third knot, and we have to leave a bit of space for the chain, this chain, and then go for the next 3 leaves. Secure it with knots. First knot, again needle should be inserted. This thread should always be on top, and the back part should be wrapped anti-clockwise and pulled to place the knot. Then go for the next one. Then we'll move to the next 3 petals, making the chain. Leave some space for the chain. And this should go over till the end, and then we'll come back with this row, that is chain, this row, that is chain and leaves again. It is complete.